What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's tutorial I will teach you the song that I teach today, which is the name is Taste by Tyga or Tyga. So yeah, let's go back to the studio and start. Alright, so we go from the beginning. From here you're gonna face, don't forget to face on the left away. So it's like 1, 2, and 3, that 4. Then stay on this position. So your knee are facing that one. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, the 4, 5, punch on 6, and 7, 8. My count is wrong. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, the 4, and 5, 6, and then lean back, 7, 8, and then you need to put it back. 7, 8, and for the last time, 5, 6, 7, and away. 1, 2, 3, then 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and copy. Next, and side cross. 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Make a circle. Go to your left. 5, not on 6. Lean back. 7, 8. So for this one, you just lean back. Walk here up, but sideways. Then your hand are free. So 7 and 8. Let's try first 2 8 from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, left, and 4, 5, nod, 7, 8. Good job. Okay? Next, heel. So you're gonna lift your 1 and 2. Then side, go to your left, step your left to the front. 3, 4. And go to the back. 5 and 6. Then release 7 and 8. Simple as that. So from here, 6, 7, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Release and 8. Okay, the next one, we're gonna slow down. 7 and 1 point on 2. So basically your 1, 2, and 3 goes on 4. Your hand is 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Like this. 7 and 1, 2, 3 close on 4. You get that groove? One more time. 7 and 1 down, 3 and 4. So 1 down and up and close. 4. Copy? Last time. Let's combine from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Release and you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you cross. 5, 6. Lift your shoulder. Set. Bend. Drop on 8. You got that one? So 3 and 4 cross. 5, 6, lift, 7 and 8. Good job. Let's do 4 8. 4 8 already, right? Let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7, and away. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, not 7. Here we go. 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 4, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, lift, and 8. Good job. Second part. So 7 and 8. Even you just use your shoulder. If you cannot grab your t-shirt, just shoulder and 8. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. On the last one, 5.6 overhead. Then this one, ball chain. 7, 8. Go 1, lean back on 2, twist the body on 3, 4, back 5, isolation to your left, right 6, jump on set, bend down 8. Let's do that. So from here, so 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, you will slow down here, 4, here we go, 5, quick, 7, 8, 1, 2, twist, 4, 5, look, 7, 8, and for the last 2, 8, I guess. Go swing to your right, the groove, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. For your hand, you can do anything. Okay, let's try. 7, and hit, 2, 3, 4. And then walk to the front, same. 5, 6, stop on 6, then you're gonna go 7, 8. Hand or 3 also. 7, 8. Copy that? Let's try. 6, 7, and then hit, 3, then 5, stop, 8, and last 8. Yes, step left, right, 2. That's 1 and 2. Step your right to the front 5, 1 and 3, and punch 4. Ball chain 5, 6, throw it 7, and walk, and that's it. Okay, so let's try from here. 7, 1, 2, hit it, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whoa, 8. Good job. So now let's try everything from the beginning, very slow. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, then 7, 8, cross, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.7. Knee, 1, back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hit, boom, 3, walk, 5, 6, lean back, and then back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Yes! Let's try music.
Yeah, that's cool, but he ain't like me. A lot of girls like me, niggas wanna fight me. Nigga, get your ass checked like a fucking Nike. Me not icy, that's unlikely. Cause she gon' suck me like a fucking icy. Chains on the neck for the whole team. And I feel like Gucci with the ice cream. And my bitch want the 50, not the Maybelline. I'm the black JB, the way these bitches scream. Make these bitches scream. Pretty little thing. Like my nigga A.E. Say, yeah, I mean, she taste. You can get a taste. Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. I'll see you next time. Bye.